When we talk about happiness in life, being happy is not equal to being rich. Do you think rich people are the happiest? Not really. Do you think those celebrities, those artists are the happiest? Certainly not. Many of them commit suicide. Many. Don't you see among those who were regarded as successful people, there are some who died of unnatural causes? In our country, many of the public figures ended up abusing drugs. Their hearts are not at peace. But people who choose Akheera as their ambition, Allahu Akbar, Allah will make a way out for all of their affairs. They can live with and value even simple dishes like rice and beans. They still say Alhamdulillah for that. Now why do they still say Alhamdulillah for that? Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, بِحَسَبِ ابْنِ آدَمْ لُقَيْمَاتْ يُقِمْنَ بِهَا صُلْبًا. A few morsels of food are sufficient for the son of Adam, enough to straighten their backs. And that's it. Life for them is as simple as that. As long as the food can support your back, you can work, you can do ibadah, then alhamdulillah. وَأَتَتْهُ الدُّنْيَا وَهِيَ رَاغِمَةٌ. And for this person, the world comes to him, whether it want to or not. So the people who do not pursue worldly ambitions, money comes after them. Literally. Somebody brings money to their door. Assalamu alaikum. What a surprise. Alhamdulillah. Allah gives them rizq. Subhanallah.